Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up a password on iPhone. Setting up password or passcode in your iPhone enhances your device's security. Here's how you can set it up. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Next, navigate to Passcode Settings. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode if your iPhone uses Touch ID. If your iPhone doesn't have Face ID or Touch ID, look for Passcode Settings. Next, turn Passcode on. Tap Turn Passcode on, then enter a 6-digit passcode. Next, confirm the passcode. Re-enter your chosen passcode to confirm it. With your passcode set, your iPhone is now secure and protected from unauthorized access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.